Today's lesson is solving word problems using multiplication. Basically, same thing you've been doing, just with story problems. It's lesson 3.6. Let's look at this example with a bar diagram. There are 14 theaters at the mall. Each theater has 175 seats. How many seats are there in all? Well, they have already drawn a picture for you. The question mark at the top represents the number of seats altogether. Each box represents one theater. In that box, or in that theater, there are 175 seats. Our math equation today, or for this problem, would be 175 times 14. There are many ways you can solve it. Partial products, traditional, or lattice method. I'm going to do the lattice method really quick for those of you that enjoy that. And I made a 3-digit by 2-digit box. So 175. Just ignore my dog barking. Ruger. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 times 4 is 28. And 5 times 4 is 20. Add them up. Remember to carry your 1. 14. Carry my 1 again. And 2. Our answer would be 2,450. An example. A hardware store ordered 13 packs of nails from a supplier. Each pack contains 155 nails. How many nails did the store order? Well, let's first find out our numbers. We know that we're working on multiplication, so we're going to multiply these. 155 times 13. I did lattice method last time, so let's do partial products. 155 times 3 is my first step. There's 15, 16, 3, and 4. There's my first partial product. And then I need 155 times 10 for my 10 over here in the ones, or in the tens place. 0, I got 5, 5, and 1. I'm going to go ahead and bring this partial product down, so 465, and add them up. I have 5, 11, 10, and 2. My final answer is 2015. And I could label it with nails. Jupiter is about 5 times the distance of Earth is from the Sun. Earth is about 93 million miles from the Sun. About how far is Jupiter from the Sun? It's 5 times the distance. So we're going to take 93 times 5. That little trick we learned earlier in this chapter. 15, 46. So I have 465, but then I need to add those 6 zeros. So I have 465 million miles. Last sample problem, an I-STEP plus ready question. Choose all of the expressions that are equal to 25 times 460. Okay. We have 460 times 25. You guys know that just because you switch the two numbers, they're still the same. So let's color that one in. 20 times 5 times 4,060. If you take 20 times 5, that's not 25. That would be 100, so that cannot be correct. 25 times 4,000 plus 60. Well, because these are in parentheses, that means that we're going to add 4,000 plus 60 first. That's going to give you that 4,060, and then you can multiply it. So that is also correct. 25 times 406 times 10 to the second. 10 to the second is just like saying 100. Don't forget those exponents. It also means that you would just add 2 zeros onto that, which would be 40,600. once again, cannot be correct. 25 plus 5 times 4,060. Just like up here on your third choice, 20 plus 5 would get done first. That would give you your 25, and you multiply it by 4,060. It is correct. Your assignment for this lesson is page 147, 148, and you're going to do numbers 1 through 5, which are the odd numbers, and I want you to do 1, 3, and 5 if there are any confusion on that. But then don't forget you need to do numbers 9, 10, and 11. Thank you for working so hard.